Make the ground shake.
Before it even gets released.
Mega.
The one that likes to make fun of balls. You like to fondle your little daddy's dick.
Bro, I'm a censor this. Bro.
I'm a censor this.
Stop. I don't know who watches this. So maybe a family member.
Maybe a family member watches it.
Stop it, Josh. I'll show your face.
Do it again.
Ah.
Do it!
Dude, I'm just gonna name this video Josh Face Reveal.
Josh face reveal.
No, I only have one YouTube video.
Dude, your YouTube is gay.
Riley's video.
Go dislike all of his videos.
Yeah, go check out his channel, but dislike him.
I have a single video. It's one
What's
of
the
your
name
videos.
of your channel?
Yeah, what's your channel?
Riley, it's one of your videos.
It's probably daddy's penis. Huh.
Oh, it's my
That's probably what
Minecraft
it's
one, huh?
called.
Yeah.
It's probably daddy dick. That's what it's called.
I put
Yeah,
the clip
go
upstairs.
check out Daddy Dick's channel.
Yeah, it's all about learning how to slurp up.
Oh yeah!
Double sucker. But what about the taser?